Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, having the right backdrop can make a huge difference in the overall quality and appeal of your videos. So, if you're looking for some fresh and creative ideas to enhance your YouTube background, you've come to the right place. Before we jump into the specific backdrop ideas, let's quickly talk about why having the right backdrop is so important. Your backdrop sets the stage for your videos, creates a visual atmosphere, and helps to establish your brand identity. It can make your content more engaging, professional, and visually appealing. So, let's explore some fantastic backdrop ideas that you can use for your YouTube videos. First up, we have solid color backgrounds. These simple, single-color backdrops can be highly effective in creating a clean and professional look for your videos. You can opt for solid color cloth backdrops or even paint your own backdrop using a color that complements your content. Some popular options include vibrant blues, serene greens, or classic white. If you're interested in solid color backdrops, I recommend checking out the wide range of cloth backdrops available online. They come in various sizes and colors, allowing you to find the perfect match for your videos. You can also explore paint options from reputable brands that offer paint specifically designed for photography and video backdrops. Moving on to our next idea, themed backgrounds. Themed backdrops can add a whole new level of creativity and visual interest to your videos. Think about the specific niche or theme of your content and find props or themed fabric backdrops that align with it. Whether it's a tropical paradise, a cozy coffee shop, or a futuristic space, the possibilities are endless. To create themed backdrops, you can search for props and accessories that enhance the theme you're going for. You can also explore websites that offer custom-printed fabric backdrops, allowing you to bring your unique ideas to life. Now, let's take a step outside with natural settings as backdrops. The beauty of nature can add a touch of authenticity and freshness to your videos. Filming outdoors in parks, gardens, or near bodies of water can provide a stunning backdrop for your content. Plus, it's a great way to enjoy some fresh air while you create. When using natural settings, keep in mind the time of day, lighting conditions, and any potential background noise. Portable equipment like pop-up tents for shade and portable stools for comfort can make your outdoor shooting experience even better. For those seeking an edgy and urban vibe, graffiti and street art backdrops are a fantastic choice. The vibrant colors and dynamic designs can instantly add visual interest to your videos. You can use graffiti decals or art prints to create a street art backdrop in the comfort of your own space. If you're not able to find a suitable graffiti backdrop near you, don't worry. You can explore online platforms that offer high-quality graffiti decal prints or art prints that can be easily applied to a blank wall. Let's switch gears and talk about professional settings as backdrops. If you want to create a more polished and sophisticated look, filming against a professional setting can work wonders. This could be an office environment, a studio setup, or any space that aligns with your content. Consider incorporating office furniture, studio equipment, or even virtual backgrounds to give your videos a professional touch. You can find a variety of office furniture options online that are both functional and visually appealing. If you're looking for versatility and customization, printed fabric or paper backdrops are a great choice. You can have custom prints created featuring your logo, branding elements, or any design that complements your content. There are several websites that offer custom printing services for backdrops. You can choose from a range of materials like fabric or high-quality paper, depending on your preferences. Now, let's talk about utilizing your own home setting as a backdrop. Your home can provide a cozy and familiar atmosphere for your videos. Showcase your personal style and create a comfortable space where you can connect with your audience. Consider incorporating home decor items, furniture, or even a specific corner of your house that reflects your personality. You can also experiment with different lighting setups and angles to enhance the overall ambience. If you're on a budget or enjoy getting creative, DIY backdrops are a fantastic option. You can create stunning backdrops using everyday objects or materials you already have at home. From using fabrics, wallpapers, or repurposing items creatively, there are endless possibilities to explore. DIY backdrops allow you to personalize your space and give your videos a unique touch. If you want to add some sparkle and glamour to your videos, consider blinged-out backdrops. These backdrops feature elements like fairy lights, creased tin foil, or glitter for a dazzling effect. You can easily create blinged-out backdrops by incorporating fairy lights, tin foil, or glitter tool. These elements can instantly make your videos more eye-catching and visually appealing. Lastly, let's explore niche-themed backdrops. If you have a specific niche or topic for your content, having a backdrop that complements it can help to create a cohesive and immersive experience. Whether it's a kitchen backdrop for cooking channels, a music-themed backdrop for musicians, or a gaming-inspired backdrop for gamers, tailor your backdrop to match your niche and make your content stand out. Remember, your backdrop is a canvas for your creativity, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. We hope these ideas have inspired you to take your YouTube videos to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, happy creating!